Want to save some money on your next Bolt ride by using a promo code? I'll show you exactly how to apply it step by step. First, open the Bolt app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in the app, look up at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the side menu. From here, scroll through the menu and tap on Promotions. This is where all of your discounts and codes are stored. Next, tap on Enter Promo Code. A field will pop up where you can type or paste the code you received. Make sure you enter it carefully. Promo codes are case-sensitive, so double-check that there are no mistakes. After typing in the code, tap Apply. And if the code is valid, it will be activated right away. The discount will automatically be taken off your next ride, so you don't have to do anything else. And that's it. Your promo code is now saved and ready to use. If this helped you out, give the video a like. Subscribe for more quick app tips, and let me know in the comments how much you saved with your code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.